So we're going to look at some in-town Fivizzano properties. I'm going to help you find your dream house in the Lunigiana, northern Tuscany. It is pretty typical that the homeowner will be there while you're looking at their house, which never happens in the US. Sometimes the whole family is there staring at you in the kitchen, and then they'll ask you after you've walked through how you like it. And if you've read my book, Italy is My Boyfriend, you know we've had people chase after us, family members, to get our feedback and whether we were going to buy it and come back and buy it. So don't be alarmed if the family or the owner is there. Okay. So this is if you want to live in a little city environment where you just walk for your coffee, and we have a market on Tuesdays. And oh, I know this house. This is a nice house.
It's fantastic.
He just caught my attention because I love this house. I am going to try to sell this house for these guys because I like this house. Okay, come with me. I'm very excited. I did not have high hopes. This is typical of looking for property in Italy because I did not have high hopes. One of the things I will tell you that as an American, you get really excited. You see this. This is not the time to talk pricing when the owner is here. You know, just look around, see if you like it. You can go for a coffee with Federico later and discuss all the particulars, okay? This is a really pretty in-city house. It gets very hot here, so this is actually a very nice place to sit out. And again, this is city dwelling, so you're not gonna have a view, although you have a gorgeous olive tree here. But so just keep in mind, this is like you're living in, you know, in the center of town. You're living in Brooklyn, you know, it's like in a town. Oh, wow. This is very pretty. So this is a done house, it's done. So this is move-in ready. You don't really have to do anything to it. This was an antique house, so it was a very ancient house that they restructured more modernly. So if you're looking for something that's a little more rustic, this probably isn't it, although, you know, my wheels are always turning. I'm just wondering what's behind these walls. Okay, un tour, let's go.
Kitchen.
It's like a little kitchenette. So this is very interesting. It's like very much a galley kitchen. I feel like I'm on a boat here. So remember, this was a very old house. So they had to work with some structural things, most likely, and support walls. So keep that in mind. And then this is the living room, very groovy. So this was probably at some point outside, I would think. Because you can tell by this. Oh, interesting. So yeah, so that would have been the street in front, and that would be more of a service street in the back. That's interesting. I like that. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is fun. So this is off the kitchen. So it's actually a cute little area to sit and have breakfast or lunch. It's cute. When we came in, we went to the left, now we're going to the right. So there's a bathroom here, a bedroom there. And oh, this is cute, another bedroom here, and another bathroom. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Esatto.
2 camere, 2 bagno. Yeah, you have to be used to these stairs. So this was like a medieval cantina, torture chamber, just kidding.
Qui
right.
C'è sempre la solita temperatura. D'estate c'è fresco.
Right, it's always the same temperature because we're underground, it's like a wine cellar essentially. He uses this for storage, obviously. This looks pretty it's got a little sicko energy in here. Look at that table. So this is where he tortures people. Just kidding, it's like a box underneath there. So this is his gym. So this is where he works out. So what do they call those rooms like in 50 Shades of Grey? People, a sex dungeon. It could be a sex dungeon. Groovy. Be a horror movie in there. And now we saw the house and we love it. We'll take it, wrap it up. That's how I always feel. Don't worry, Frank, I haven't bought it yet, but it is quite glorious. If you like this house, below to this guy, Federico, and we'll get you fixed up. I have so many people email me that they want to move to Lungiana, they want to move to Fivizzano. So this is your guy. I've given you a gift. This is your video. You've been waiting for it. I got out of the kitchen long enough to sell some real estate, people. All right, bye.